to discuss the concepts of percentage. Percentage is very important topic in your quantitative aptitude. If you know the tricks of percentage means it is helpful for other topics also. Okay, we'll see the concept first. What do you mean by percentage? Percentage. 100, it is based on 100. Definitely we can calculate percentage value at least 2 times in our life, that is 10th standard examination after the result of 12th standard examination. Am I right? So how we can calculate the percentage? We want to convert one particular value into percentage means, for example, out of 500 a student secure 400 marks means this mark is converted into percentage. We want to multiply with 100, so it will be cancelled. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, so your answer is 80%. Okay. So percentage in the sense divide by 100 into 100. So the value itself mentioning 60% means we want to write 60 by 100. If it is want to convert any values into percentage means that value should be multiplied with 100. Okay. Now how to find the percentage value for given value? For example, this is consider whenever they given one value you want to consider this is 100%, and what is 50% of 360? What is 50% of 360? What we can do? 50 divided by 100 into 360. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 5 into 36 180. Okay, so you don't do this type of calculation, just observe your value here 360. So this is your 100%. What is 50% means the half of 100 is 50. So what is half of 360? 180. Okay, see 100% value is 720. What is 10% value? How many values will be there? Just cut down your last digit value. What is your last digit value here? 0. So 72. 10% value is 72. 20% means the 20% is double the 10%. So what is it? Double the value of 72. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 144. Okay, we have lot of ideas to finding the percentage values. For example, 360, what is the 90% of 360 means? So as usual we can do the calculation this 36 into 9. Okay, 9 6 are 54, balance 5. 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5 is 32, 324. In case the values are like 16850, what is 90%? If they ask to find 90% of this value means you can calculate 90% like 100% minus 10% is your 90%. So what is your 100% value here? The initial value always you want to consider 100%, 16850 minus, it is simple to calculate 10% value. Am I right? So you can cut down your last digit value. This is your 10%, 1685, which is equivalent to 90%. Subtract this value from this. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and 14 minus 8 is 14, minus 8 is 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, Therefore, 6 minus 1 is 5. So, 15,165 is your answer. Okay. So, if you are having the end of the digit value 0 means it is very easy to calculate the 10%. In case your value is, for example, 428. What is your 10% means? 42.8. Okay, now just you want to cut down your last digit value. If it is 0 means we can cancel it. If it is value means we want to make it decimal. 42.8 is your 10% value. Okay, now what is your 10% value for this number? 4268. This is your 10% value. So in 100%, it is easy to calculate 10%, as well as in your 100%, it is easy to calculate 1%. So if you need 10% means you can cut down your last digit value. If you need 1% means you want to cut down your last 2-digit value. For example, 7,200. Here, what is your 10% means? 720 is my 10% value. What is your 1% means? 72. So, if you are knowing 10%, 1% means it is very easy to calculate the respective percentage values. Okay. And one more thing, if you know the certain fractional values for the respective percentage values means it is very useful for your examination. Okay, for example, 1 by 2. What is the 1 by 2% value? 50. What is 1 by 3% value? 33.33. What is 1 by 4% value? 25. What is 1 by 5% value? 20. What is 1 by 6% value? 16.66. What is 1 by 7% value? 14.28. What is 1 by 8% value? 12.5. What is 1 by 9% value? 11.11. In case if you are getting an answer for a particular question, so that is 1 by 3 means that time you need not to convert that 1 by 3 into percentage. If you are memorizing this means 1 by 3 is the what is the percentage value? 33.33. In case if you are getting an answer as 2 by 3 means that time you need not to convert anything. 1 by 3 is 33.33. Therefore 2 by 3 is 66.66. Okay, just memorize this while you are doing your calculation. It is very useful for you. In this video, we have discussed the introduction of the percentage concepts. Okay, let's see the concept of each and every question one by one. Thank you for watching.